Hey you guys, today's design is all about being super simple yet really stylish. So let's get started. As always, I'm starting off with my base coat. I'm using my peel off one today. And then once this base coat dries, you have a choice. You can either put on a clear polish on top of it. I did that because it adds a little extra strength to my nail, or you can opt out and that's fine too. So starting about a quarter of the way down, take your first color and paint your nail towards the tip, making sure to have it curve in a way that matches the natural curve of your cuticle, kind of like giving the illusion that you painted your nails 5 weeks ago and then you just let it grow out, but nothing chipped, so it's perfect. In fact, I think this is a really cool design idea if you like gel nail polish and you want to extend the life of your manicure in between, so that way you don't have to worry about that gap that appears after 3 weeks of nail growth. It just looks like it's part of the design. So now going in with my dotting tool, I'm taking a white polish and just putting a little dot dead center right at the edge of the color. And as always, we finish with a top coat. I went glossy today, but I think it would look really cool if we went with a matte top coat, so it's totally up to you as to which style that you would prefer. And that's the completed look. I decided to alternate some of the colors so it wasn't just all gray and white. So I've got some white base with gray dots, gray with a purple dot, and I've got purple with gray or purple with white. And I think the mix of colors just makes it look really edgy and modern. I love it. And I've personally never tried a design like this before, and I actually really like this negative space look. So leave a comment down below if this is a look that you would totally rock. If you like this video, then please remember to hit that like button, and if you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that way you get notified every time I put up a new tutorial. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. So until next time, see ya!